Hi, my name is Will Jackson. I'm the CEO, co-founder of Mote, and I want to walk you through some of the key functionalities of our product. So Mote is a Chrome extension designed to make it very easy and quick to create voice notes to share with other people collaborating in the same document. It works with Google Slides, Google Sheets, Google Docs, and Google Classroom, and soon we'll be adding many more applications supported. Let's start with a Google document. So here's a Google Doc I've been working on recently, and I want to ask a colleague, my co-founder, just to take a look and see if I've missed anything. So I open a comment like this, and I just click on the Mote icon to start a recording. Hey, Alex, I think I've captured everything, but could you take a quick look through to make sure I haven't missed anything important? Thanks a lot. So I hit done, and after a moment, I get this. And if I hit comment, this link will now render as a card that I can read, but also importantly, hey Alex, I can play. Now, another functionality is I can edit that transcript if the voice to text transcription hasn't worked perfectly. So let's have a look. I think I captured everything. Could take a quick look to make sure I haven't missed anything. Thanks a lot. That looks pretty good. So I'm going to leave that. Now, it's important to remember we actually support now a bunch of different languages. So if English isn't your first language, or if you're working in a different language, check out the other languages we support. Here's a full list, everything from the English US to Turkish. And we're going to be increasing this language support over time. So I'll stick with English US for now. So let's look at Google Slides. Again, very simple. Very similarly, I can select a piece of text. I can add a comment to any element within a slide. Obviously, as I move from page to page, I could add more content, and then this comment just reloads. Let me have a look again. So additional photos I can include. So yeah, that's that experience there. Now let's look at Google Classroom. So this is the main stream view, and here you'll see I've added a voice note so that my class can respond. In this case, my class is my two kids. They're paying attention. And so you can similarly interact with your class, and your class can answer back if they have the Mote extension. One thing we don't yet support is the assignment box here, and we are hoping to support that soon. So keep watching this space. Here you can see the student work view. And in this case, I've added a couple of private comments to a student's document. And you can see here what that looks like. So here I am reviewing a document. I can add comments here in the private comments view. And just like I was shown before, I can select a piece of text and add a comment here. Well, that's about it for the overview of Mote. I hope you've enjoyed it. There's a lot more to discover, and I hope you enjoy using Mote.